Welcome back to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix Bluetooth audio not working on Samsung S23 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset and reset network settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, open quick settings panel. After open quick settings panel, so click on Bluetooth and turn off Bluetooth mode, turn on Bluetooth mode. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on Bluetooth and click on storage. Click on clear cache. After clear cache, Bluetooth app, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.